around the nation, to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.
A court in Wales has sentenced a 60-year-old man to 2 years and 4 months in prison after he admitted to keeping the body of his deceased mother in a freezer for nearly 3 years.
You deliberately concealed your mother's death and took steps to give the impression that she was still alive. You continued to collect her prescriptions and lied to medical professionals and eventually to the police. In my judgment, your mental health issues do not affect your culpability, as your decision was no less deliberate as a result. However, even if I am wrong about that, it will make no difference to your sentence, as your mental
Christopher Phillips pleaded guilty after police discovered the body of his 89-year-old mother, Sylvia Phillips, inside a freezer at the family home in February. According to reports, officers initially visited the property before making this shocking discovery, which later led to Phillips's arrest and prosecution. Authorities confirmed that Sylvia Phillips had been dead for almost 3 years before her body was found. However, investigators said there was no evidence that she had been murdered. Instead, the case focused on Phillips' decision to conceal her body and his failure to report her death to the relevant authorities. The unusual case has attracted widespread attention across the United Kingdom and beyond, with many people questioning how the body remained hidden for such a long period without being discovered. Following his guilty plea, the court sentenced Christopher Phillips to 2 years and 4 months behind bars. The case has also sparked discussions about the importance of reporting deaths promptly and ensuring that elderly people, especially those living in isolation, receive regular welfare checks from family members, neighbors, or community services. While the legal proceedings have now concluded, the circumstances surrounding the case continue to shock many people because of their unusual nature. Authorities say the investigation established the facts presented before the court, bringing the criminal case to a close. What are your thoughts on this unusual case? Share your opinion in the comments and subscribe to First Next News for more breaking international news and major stories from around the world.
From around the nation, to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.